Then balance the pH with this alkaline alkalize and finish with a copolymer dual action emollient to reduce the What is all this
Taking care of your car shouldn't sound like a science experiment. Meet Undrdog, the do-it-yourself, no BS way to spruce up your ride at home. You don't need to be a car person to wrap your head around Undrdog. We make affordable, easy-to-use, professional quality car care for everyone, from average Joes to souped-up pros. You see, there's a lot of snake oil salesmen who get paid to peddle their subpar solutions with meaningless names that uses unnecessary jargon, like
nanoceramic titanium graphene?
At Undrdog, we give it to you straight. Start with our Undrdog Soap. You can tell it's soap because it's called soap. A coating-safe thick foam that loosens dirt and grime. Then, the Purps. Like a blacklight for your car that highlights filth before getting rid of it. Finish it all off with Undrdog Pro. A multi-year professional-grade coating to protect your car. We don't need to pay people to sing our praises. Our 5-star reviews sing for themselves. Click the link to check out our full lineup and join the Undrdog revolution.